Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing, and this is a company that's new to me, Yukon Bags. Y-U-K-O-N, Yukon Bags, and they are from out of Istanbul, and they contacted me and they wanted to send me some bags to show you guys. I want to show you my first impressions. I really don't know what I'm going to get into today. I know there's a tote and maybe more. But this is full grain leather. I'm really excited about the color of the leather, and I'm gonna rearrange the camera and we'll jump right into it. Here's the box. I'm excited to see the style and quality of leather. Their online store looks really nice. More scissors. I guess they're very thoughtful with their packaging. Okay. Oh, so a box within a box works for me. Yukon Bags. I think I'm saying that right. Yukon Bags. And open it like this. Oh, lots of things are in here. Okay, so I don't know the names of everything. This company is so new to me, I just don't know. So I will hold up each item and then I'll insert like the name of each item, maybe the price. Should we start from big to small or small to big? Whatever I just grabbed. Okay. Thank you for shopping with us. Oh, nice, some luggage tags. And I mean, here's even just to start with. This is crazy horse leather. This is just a sample piece, but you can see like how thick it is. This is what they're really known for, is this. So I don't know, this just must be a little tag, but a little sample piece and some luggage tags. Those actually will come in handy when I start traveling again. Their logo is on the front. Tab opens, there's a plastic film, and then name and address, and it connects with a buckle. And then this is the larger of the two, and the logo is this direction. Actually, I don't think I own any luggage tags. Very cute. And a little cloth sleeve for them. I keep these. I use them for my bags as dust bags. They really are handy. Let's go to the next one. A little more narrow. Oh, very cool. So a different color. I should keep that key fob out here and we can compare the colors. And I'll put the colors on the screen. So what do you think of these two colors? Oh, it feels so nice. I would assume this is sunglasses. Oh, cool. So the logo is right there. And then it closes magnetically. I don't know if I've seen that before. I really like that feature. And another little swatch of the leather color. So it's unlined on the inside. The magnet is flush with the leather, if I can show you that. Oh, I might just pop this in my purse right away. Very cool. Sunglasses next to the crazy horse leather. And the crazy horse leather comes in lots of colors, so I'll point that out on the screen. Let's go to the next small one. Oh, a wallet. Here's the wallet, and we open another little swatch. So one snap opens us up into the wallet, and more of maybe a coin catcher back here. This is a nylon material. And another flap will get us into this area. Not bad. I feel like this leather feels just as soft and just as textured as the other ones, but it feels a little bit thinner because it's a wallet. You can see this is folded down, as this one, the sunglasses, is just all thick. Let's see if I can show you. See, the sunglasses is not folded over. It's just a thick piece of leather. So that's something to note, a little difference. Okay. Well, see, now we have 3 colors going. Another small one. My goodness, they are so generous. And just another thank you card. Wallet, maybe? This is a nice, smooth texture. Oh, okay. Why do these little things crack me up? I think they're so adorable. You can collect all of them. They're good swatches, actually. Great, so this is just, there's no magnet right here. You just open up and you have some horizontal layout, vertical layout, a clear holder, pockets. I don't really think I have a wallet in this orientation. Very polished, very thin, compact. Oh, yum. I haven't been smelling them, but they look great. The logo is down here. Let's hold it up for color comparison. So look at the variety of colors here. All different. Very beautiful. Oh, a toiletry bag. Adopt Diddy bag, am I right? Some people who've watched my channel for a while know what I'm referencing. This is really neat. I saw this on the website and it is memorable. Look at that. So in here we have a zipper. And this is the color I really like. I'll put that on the screen right now. And on this side, nothing. Over here, nothing. This is more of a tab. Another, let's see. Okay, so it buttons down right there to open, and then you pull these zippers in tandem to open it. How neat. Okay, let's look on the inside here. It is lined with a felt. It has a zipper on this side, a full zipper. My goodness. Nice. What I liked about it is the orientation. You know, most dot bags, ditty bags, toiletry bags, they open down the middle and then you kind of have to like work your way around the flaps. And this one is kind of nice because it, oh, I see you hold really well here. Oh, and it closes pretty good. Hold here. You can just arrange your makeup or your shaving kit or anything like that from the top, access from the top, see everything at a glance. Very nice. The Dot Diddy bags I've had, I gave one to my husband and then I gave one to my mom. So maybe I'll use this one. Beat it up a little bit. And on to the main event. Oh man, it's big. Oh, this tote bag doesn't draw string, or the linen bag. It actually has its own handles, like this. Do you see? Nice. Okay, here we are. So this is the Morley leather tote bag. Oh man, okay. We got our story. You can screenshot that if you'd like. Why our products are made in Turkey. And what do you guys think? Wow. So front pocket, I mean, just this marbling's already coming through day one. Nice pocket, another thank you card. Double handles. Here's the back. Wow, look at how dynamic that is. That is very, very, just a really unique style. And this is just the character of the leather. So as you pinch and pull full grain leather, it's gonna do marbling like that. But I really like that they kind of did a little bit of that pinch and pulling for us. So we have a top zipper, yay! You guys know I love a tote with a zipper. And it has an insert, can you see? This is a removable cotton insert. I've never seen this before. And a quick walkthrough is, here is an inside pocket, an inside flap with full zipper across, and just another big area. We have a key keeper on the side, short key keeper. Oh, it smells so nice. I kind of want to remove the liner. Is that what everybody at home wants me to show them? So it goes on with some snaps. What a nice way to stay organized and be able to clean this if you need to. Yeah, and this is just cotton, it's linen, really lightweight. This has a leather pull. This is a leather pocket right there. But really lightweight. I've tried some tote inserts. There's a variety out there, and I like that that one is lightweight. And then we just look inside. Totally can be used just this way without the tote insert. I think I knocked over the liner. While on camera, let's see how fast I can put the liner back in. I don't know if there's a justification to how to do it. So you just line up the snaps with the snaps. No problem there. That is really nice. All right, and we're done. And we can zip it back up. Really beautiful. What do you guys think? I have an Instagram page, The Perfect Leather Bag, and I'm gonna share this bag all loaded up with what it can hold in the next couple days. But I wanted to get this unboxing first impressions to you as soon as possible so you can maybe pick up some stocking stuffers or gifts for Christmas. So there we have it, today's unboxing from Yukon Bags. Thank you, Yukon, for reaching out to me and working with me to support my channel and show you guys just a new company out there in Turkey, in Istanbul, Turkey. If I were to pick my favorites from today, I think it would go to, surprisingly, the sunglass case. I didn't know this was coming my way. I really like how sleek this style is. It's very light. But my all-time favorite would have to be the tote. I really like that removable liner and the toiletry bag. These are just going to be really great things to my collection. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and check me out on Instagram, The Perfect Leather Bag, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!